Assalamu alaikum. It's my pleasure to introduce myself here, and I am Ifat Jahan. At present, I am studying pharmacy in the third year at Daffodil International University. Actually, I have been craving to learn freelancing for a long time. One day, I found out about this CodemanBD through a friend who is now doing well in this sector. But due to the deficiency of time, hectic with study, and many other reasons, I couldn't join this course. Anyway, now I deeply feel it is high time to learn freelancing, and I have to maintain my time for balancing everything what I have for doing. And to be very honest, I don't have any idea about this course. That's the reason I chose the CodemanBD for getting support and cooperation, because they're very supportive of every student. Last of all, my father and my mother are also supportive of me, and they also want that I keep it up with or alongside my study. It's all about myself. Thank you.